Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the voice in Claude AI. If you are using voice mode to talk to Claude, you can pick the voice that sounds best to you. And the steps are really simple. Just open your Claude on your desktop or in browser. You want to click on your profile in bottom left corner, go to settings, and here in the general settings we can scroll a little bit and you will find section called voice. Here you can choose language, and the most important is the voice, which is style. So if you select it, you can just hover your mouse on this
In voice
icon
mode, we'll just talk.
We can chat.
Worst places.
You can ask me best place.
and you can basically choose which you like or which you prefer. So in my case, I would say this airy is really good, or this glassy.
We can.
So I can select it. Underneath, you can also choose speed, so you can keep it on normal or change it to slow or fast. Now we can test it, so I can close this. We can click on this icon to start a voice mode. Hey Claude, can you write me 5 facts about elephants?
Sure thing. Here we go. 1. Elephants are the largest land animals on.
And you can see it is working. If you don't want to use voice mode, you just want to maybe read aloud something with that voice, you can just click on this sound icon.
Sure thing. Here we.
And you can see it is going to start reading. So if I want to change again the voice, I can go to settings and we can do maybe mellow.
Sure thing, here we go.
Okay, so that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.